YouTube. This is a new video from MrWeedgamer, known as VWXY20Z. I wanted to talk about the Android devices versus the Apple iPad, and a special minute, the Gentoo Wetab. One of the reasons that the iPad will succeed and the others less is probably this. The iPad is just like a oversized iPod Touch. And that's great, because if you're known on the iPad, if you're known on the iPod Touch, you can work with the iPad, you know how it works, so it won't be a problem to get used on it. Either way, the iPad Touch operating or iPhone OS is great to use. Maybe I got some limits, but it's great to work with. Second, the App Store from Apple has some good reasons why it works and others less. It has very strong and hard rules, and you have to follow them, because otherwise it won't get on the App Store from Apple. There is only one iPad device, so you don't have all those Android devices out there. I mean, there are now like maybe 100 or more Android tablets, and the big problem from this is not all those Android tablets do have the same resolution, the same processor, the same G sensor, the same screen. They're all different, except some OEM products out there. But the iPad, there is only one iPad from only one company, Apple itself. Of course, it's made by Foxconn, Samsung, and a few other companies or Chinese companies. But overall, it's Apple who gets the rules. And maybe there are one or two sold Samsung Galaxy Tabs, but that's a joke in competition against the iPad, which is sold more than 16 million times. 16 million times. That's a lot, people. $500, 16 million times. Of course, it's not all cash money. It's probably like 25% between the customer and Apple, but 25% from $500, that would mean, let's say $150, 16 million times. That's a lot of money. And it's not only the iPad itself where Apple will get money. Those iPad devices, iPhone apps, I mean, got really sold out a lot of times. No, not sold out, you can't sold out show out something which is virtually only on the surface, so there is no sold out thing. Maybe just as a joke, but in real time there isn't. But it's great to use, it's user friendly, it's optimized, it's secure. On the other hand, if let's take the Samsung Galaxy Tab, it's 7-inch, you can put it in your pocket, but you can't with your iPad. Except when you have a big ass jacket. It's fast, and some of them are even faster than the iPad. Not on view maybe, but in specifications they are faster, and in some graphical application they are more strong, because you have now the A9 dual core Cortex 1 GHz. But yeah, and it's reliable, it's open. You can install apps from any company. You say what can be installed or not. But, and you can't with your iPad. If Apple says, well, we don't want this in our Apple Store, we take it away. Oh, it's too much naked, it's too much bullshit in their eyes. It won't be on the App Store, and you have to jailbreak the App Store to actually install that app that you actually wanted. Android, on the other hand, have to be rooted, but I believe you won't lose your guarantee with some companies. And you will lose it with Apple if you jailbreak your Apple iPad. So I think there's a lot of competition for Apple, and I really hope Samsung drop this price onto 350 or less and put a A9 processor in it. I already got tablets. I already shown you this a few minutes ago. I will boot it. That's the main problem about all these tablet devices or smartphones. You can really see any fingerprint on it. It's really annoying. But I will show you. Now, here we got the picture viewer. Sorry guys, that was disgusting. You can put your finger on your nose on YouTube. Oh. Just open the goddamn. It's the picture viewer. Some of these pictures are maybe less child friendly, so if you under 18, I guess, don't watch this. It's not naked, but still pictures like this. Looks. Don't watch the women, watch the colors. The colors of this are great. What I do hate about all those tablet devices, which I like about the iPad, Apple iPad, is the IPS technology in the screen. So you have a perfectly view angle, and if you see this, the view angle actually changed. You see? I hope you see. Or else I fucked. But you see? Nice pictures, I know. She doesn't say too much, so it can be nice. Look. And this is actually a resistive touchscreen. And you see? It works great. Linux, Gentoo. I can install all the apps. No root shit. Your root by default. So really, it's good. And the main reason why I bought this tablet is because I can actually install Ubuntu on this, and I love Ubuntu. I got it on my iMac either because I just can't let the operating system go. Even though there are a lot of apps on the for Apple Mac OS X. It's really user friendly. It's beautiful and nice. It's shiny and overall. But Linux Ubuntu gave me something which no other operating system can give me, and I think freedomness and some hack scripts for Wi-Fi connections and stuff like that are actually not available on Mac OS X. So this is my tablet and I like it. So my tip of the day is, if you buy a tablet and want to be future-proof, take a tablet where they give you the freedom to install your own operating system. Why? Because if the company stops with making updates and stuff like that, there will always be a Linux operating system which will be available on your device, and you're not 100% sold out to that company that you actually wanted to update your system. I will put this away. I will close it like I always do. Really careful. Look. This was my Android video of the day. See you later, MrWeedgamer. And don't smoke too much.